So you want to know the story of how pizza and ranch became a thing? I know. I'm sure you're curious. Well, this is how it started, and I am the inventor of it. Why? Because we started a trend, and it just caught on. Back in the '80s, while I was still in college, hanging out with my buddies, we'd always go to BK. We'd always get BK with ranch sauce. Yes, BK with ranch sauce is a thing too. If you haven't tried it, try it. A Whopper with ranch on there, with BK ranch. Anyways, so we were hanging out at nighttime, eating stuff at nighttime, middle of night, and as college people, there isn't much to eat. So we had some Whoppers and some ranch laying around. And so we had pizza as well. So, well, Little Caesars to be exact. It has to be Little Caesars. That's how it started. We were hanging out and we were saying, hey, pizza is so plain. Let's put something on this pizza to make it more exciting or something. So because we had Whopper and ranch right next to each other, I just grabbed the ranch, poured it on a plate, started dipping it with my pizza. And that's how it started. It just tasted good, and all my buddies joined in, and now it's been a worldwide craze. After almost 20 years later, yes, I can claim that I am the one who created it / invented it. I made it exist, and now it's all over. I just want to make a note that, so yes, we are from the Midwest, Detroit, and that's how it started in Detroit with Little Caesars Pizza.